Hi, this is Byron from Presslock, and I'm standing here with our T-Rex. So the T-Rex is our flagship machine. It's able to do a whole variety of tooling options, a whole variety of materials: aluminum, brass, bronze, copper, and obviously galvanized steel. So pre-painted material is another great option. The machine has a 2 3/4 inch stroke, so distance between the punch and the die. We have digital output for the pressure setting. So right now it's reading 0, so I know what we're set at when we're about to clinch. If I go over with some material, and this is a new application, here is some 16 gauge, and I put this in, I haven't set it correctly, so that's not creating a formation at all. I just go down to 920, and boom, we've got a clinch. Right, so you've got instant setup, instant readout. The machine is also good for materials like stainless. So stainless would require a different set of tooling, but this is perfectly acceptable to the T-Rex. T-Rex has a counter on the side here. The counter helps you keep track of cycles on this machine. It also keeps track of PM schedules. We have a digital readout, or a digital pressure switch rather, and we have 2 settings. So A or B, you can have a low and high. You're doing aluminum or you're doing things like that. We have modular tooling. So this tooling here has many, many options, more being done all the time. This is just a small selection of the varieties that we've developed so far. Has an integrated safety feature. So if you accidentally got your finger in there, it's not going to switch over to high power until it gets below 6 millimeters. Tooling in here can be switched to the reverse direction. So sometimes you want to get inside a part and have the button facing outside. We have a modular lower arm. That lower arm can be replaced with a different setup for access to something that you may not even know about yet, but be coming down in the future. We have the most efficient pneumatic power system that exists pneumatically. So this can do 40 kilonewton, 65 kilonewton, or 72 kilonewton power systems. This here is our 40 kilonewton version. So it can do our 4.6 millimeter tooling, our 3.8 millimeter tooling, and our 3.0 millimeter tooling. We have a distance from the front to the back of the machine of 26 inches, but also a 36-inch model. Comes on a pallet jack ready stand, so you can move this around your shop with a pallet jack or a forklift that has stirrups and bolt downs so that you can lock it in place once you've got there. Uses about 45 watts of power. That's it. This is all controls just to make sure we're running as fast and as quickly as possible. That safety feature I showed you earlier is a category 4 dual monitored switch to make sure that we're as safe as possible. We also have a lockout tag on the back with our pneumatics. So you turn the pneumatics off, slide the lockout, and then you can do work on that machine. The power unit also has a lockout tag out for the power. So all the safety features that you require in your shop, neat and clean system, capable of doing a wide range of materials from 14 gauge all the way down to 30 gauge. We've even done some 0.125 aluminum with this machine with a special tool set up in the 65 kilonewton unit. So give us a call. We're happy to quote you one of these. We have lots in stock. Thank you very much.